Hello, everybody. Hope everybody is having a wonderful day. The weekend is coming, and I hope that it goes very well for you. My name is Jonathan Luke McCormick. I am a graduate of Marsh University with my degree in Spanish and another degree in education. I am TESOL and TEFL certified to teach English to those whose second language is English. I like basketball, all kinds of sports. I love to read and learn new things as much as I can. I would like to talk to you about a course. I'm going to offer an English course this summer, starting at the beginning of June and ending toward the middle of July. The class would be held at the South Point Library. The time is still to be determined, but it would probably be at 2 or 3 o'clock for about an hour or an hour and 15 minutes. The cost of the course will be $60 for 10 classes, and the initial evaluation will be $5. If for some reason you're unsatisfied, you can get a refund after the first or second class. But I promise you that if you work with me, that you will have a good time and learn a lot.